We at Exel Composites manufacture carbon fiber cores used in advanced conductors. These cores are available in both single and multi-wire structures. When working with advanced conductors, which use carbon fiber cores, it's crucial to handle them correctly to avoid damage or breakage during installation and use. This means the installation crew must use the proper equipment designed for these conductors and be trained to understand the limits of the product. Let's start with the single wire core. This is a single wire core with 9.5 mm diameter, and it's made of carbon fiber and epoxy resin in a process called pultruded. Due to the properties of carbon fiber, the material is very stiff and strong. A single rod like this can bear more than 20 tons. This 9.5 mm rod can be bent to a radius of about 1000 mm without damaging the strand. This bending limit must be considered when selecting installation equipment and planning on how to pull the lines into place. As this single wire core solely bears the load of the transmission line, its condition is crucial. If it gets damaged and breaks, the entire line fails. For increased security and ease of use, a multi-wire core can be chosen. This core is made up of several thinner strands, each more flexible than thicker rods. When these strands are combined, they create a structure with handling and bending behavior similar to traditional conductors like ACSR, but with increased strength. Compared to the single wire core, this multi-wire core has 20 to 25% higher tensile strength and more than double the flexibility. Multi-wire core, which we show here, has 7 thinner rods stranded together, and it can be bent to a radius of about 400 mm without damage, which is less than half of what single wire core is able to withstand. This allows the same installation equipment to be used as for traditional solutions. One of the most crucial benefits of multi-wire solutions is added safety during installation and use. If an individual strand is damaged, the remaining strands can still bear the load of the line, keeping it operational and preventing costly conductor replacements.